Today I am reviewing the Beelink SER3 Mini PC W11 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. We're taking a closer look at the Beelink SER3 Mini PC, a compact yet capable desktop solution designed for everyday computing, office work, and home entertainment. Mini PCs have become increasingly popular for their space-saving design and efficiency, and this model aims to deliver solid performance without taking up much room on your desk. Let's start with performance, which is the core of any computing device. The Beelink SER3 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 3200U processor. This is a dual-core, 4-thread CPU that can boost up to 3.5 GHz, making it well-suited for daily tasks like web browsing, office applications, media streaming, and light creative work. While it's not built for heavy gaming or advanced video editing, it handles everyday workloads reliably and smoothly. For users who need a dependable system for productivity and basic multitasking, this processor does the job well. One of the biggest strengths of this mini PC is its memory and storage configuration. It comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for multitasking. You can run multiple applications, keep several browser tabs open, and switch between tasks without noticeable slowdowns. The system also includes a 500GB NVMe SSD, which significantly improves speed compared to traditional hard drives. Boot times are quick, applications load fast, and overall responsiveness feels snappy. What's even better is the upgrade potential. The system supports up to 32 GB of RAM and additional storage expansion, including larger NVMe drives and even a 2.5-inch SATA drive. This makes it a flexible option for users who may want to expand their setup in the future. Now let's talk about graphics and display capabilities. The Beelink SER3 uses integrated Radeon Vega 3 graphics, which are capable of handling 4K video playback at 60 Hz. This makes it a great option for media consumption, whether you're watching movies, streaming content, or using it as part of a home theater setup. It also supports dual displays via 2 HDMI ports, allowing you to connect 2 monitors at the same time. This dual-screen capability is especially useful for productivity. You can have your main work on one screen while using the second screen for reference materials, communication apps, or browsing. It's a simple feature, but it can significantly improve workflow and efficiency. In terms of connectivity, this mini PC is surprisingly well equipped. It includes 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, which offer fast data transfer speeds for external drives and accessories. There's also a gigabit Ethernet port for stable wired internet, along with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity. Whether you prefer wired or wireless connections, this system gives you flexibility. You'll also find an audio jack for headphones or speakers, making it easy to set up your audio environment. Overall, the port selection covers most everyday needs, whether you're working, studying, or setting up a media station. Design is another area where the Beelink SER3 stands out. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to place almost anywhere. Whether you're working with a small desk, setting up a minimalist workspace, or even mounting it behind a monitor, this mini PC saves space while still delivering desktop-level functionality. Its portability also means you can easily move it between rooms or take it with you if needed. Despite its small size, it feels well-built and designed for practical use. It includes basic controls like a power button, LED indicator, and reset button, making it simple to operate. Another advantage of this system is its versatility. It can be used in a wide range of scenarios. For example, it works well as a home office PC for tasks like document editing, email, and video conferencing. It can also function as a media center for streaming movies and shows in high resolution. For students, it provides a reliable platform for studying, online classes, and assignments. It can even be used in business environments for point-of-sale systems or basic workstation setups. Energy efficiency is also worth mentioning. Mini PCs generally consume less power than traditional desktops, and this model follows that trend. It's a more energy-efficient option for users who want to reduce power usage while still maintaining good performance. Overall, the Beelink SER3 Mini PC offers a strong balance of performance, compact design, and versatility. It's not designed for high-end gaming or intensive workloads, but for everyday computing, productivity, and media use. It performs reliably and efficiently. If you're looking for a space-saving desktop solution that can handle daily tasks, support dual monitors, and offer upgrade flexibility, this mini PC is definitely worth considering. It's a practical and cost-effective option for home, office, or study environments.